This is the complete EasyCourt stencil kit instructions from Ronan Sports. We will discuss 2 topics: how to lay out and complete your EasyCourt, and frequently asked questions. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to need is your own Ronan EasyCourt stencil kit, masking tape, and a tape measure. Attach the plumb bob to the front of the backboard right in the center. Place your H-lane width guide down beneath it and make sure the plumb bob hangs right over the center of the width guide. Steps 3 and 4. Now that your H-lane width guide is in place, lay out the main key marked A in your kit. Make sure the notches match with the H-lane width guide. Take your B free throw line and align it to the notches right at the bottom of the half circle on the A main key. Your stencil should look something like this. Step 5. Take the tape that you have and tape down the entire kit. Take the box your kit came in and cut out the bottom. You can use that as a spray guard to protect against overspray on your court. You're ready to paint the key in the free throw line. On to step 6. Place the C and D hash marks in the notches on your main key. Tape those down and spray them in when you're done. You can remove your C and D pieces. Your kit should now look like this. Here's a pro tip. Take your 3-point line and fold it in half. Put the center middle of the 3-point line on the center top of the main key. Fold out from either side. To make sure it's in place, tape and spray it in. To make sure it's in place, take your G 3-point line locators and place them in the notches on your main key and 3-point line. Tape and spray in place. Look at that, step 8. Remove your stencil and you're all done. Your stencil should look something like this. Make sure you fold up the stencil so you can use it again later. About 2.5 full-size quarts can be sprayed using our stencil. Invite your friends over and have some fun. The video's not over yet. Let's move on to some frequently asked questions. The A main key is only one piece when you fold it out. It makes the whole key in the 3-point line. Although it looks straight before you fold it out, it will be a fully curved 3-point line. What are the dimensions of the stencil? There you go. From the front of the backboard to the top line, it's 15 feet. Measurements to the outside line at 19 feet 9 inches. From the top line to the bottom, it's 21 feet. Paint FAQs. Number 1. What kind of paint is best? Well, your kit comes with what we highly recommend, a solvent-based upside-down striping paint. Why shouldn't I roll on the paint? We get this question often. Rolling on the paint will saturate the stencil unnecessarily and cause the paint to bleed out under the cardboard. This leaves sloppy lines. How many cans of paint will it take to do a full-size quart? If you want to do 2 half quarts, a jump circle, and the out-of-bounds lines, you're going to need 11 to 12 cans. Where and what? A lot of people ask us where the stencil is manufactured. We are completely USA-based, all manufactured in Southern California by a dedicated team of passionate people. What's the stencil made out of? It's made out of cardboard material very similar to a pizza box. It's thinner than typical cardboard, though more dense, so it can handle all the spray paint buildup, keeping it from dripping through during application. Okay, now that you have the facts and your stencil is done, you're ready to play like the pros.